So, and one more thing I want to tell you, please switch on your video. Yesterday also I told you, and now I am also telling, switch on your video so that I would be able to see your expression, whether you are able to understand the rules properly or not. And I don't think there is any problem in switching on the video. Why you people are hesitating, I don't know. Switch it on, all of you. Hello. Mute yourself and switch on video first. Mute yourself when you had to speak. That time you will unmute yourself. Till the time you mute yourself. Okay. So is there anyone who wants to speak? Who's ready with his speech or article or thought? Anything you want to share with us? Is there anyone? No one. I had to call you name by name, then only you are ready to speak. And in this way, you will not be able to enhance your speaking skill, guys. So please be attentive and try to speak yourself, not by force. Switch on to video, all of you. Hello. Switch it on. Vidhi, Ayush, Jiakant, Aditya Ranjan. Switch on the video. What problem you are facing in switch it on? Anshuman and Aditya Ranjan. I can see you. Now it is okay. Jia Kant has switched on her video. And Nikhil Ranjan, Ayush Kumar, 8B. Please switch it on. See, from next day, if you are not switching on your video, I will not give you entry in my class. Today I will tell you. So better you switch on your video and then connect to me. Because I also want to see you. Yesterday only I told you, no? I also want to see you guys. Okay. Now let's start the topic of today's class. Today we will see when the subject of a sentence consists of two nouns or pronouns that are joined by as well as or with the verb agrees with the first noun. Clear? Okay. I'm writing this on the blackboard also. Wait. I'm giving you some examples for this. When the subject of a sentence, this is the rule. When the subject of a sentence consists of two nouns or pronouns that are joined by as well as The verb agrees with the first noun. So today we will see the examples based on this rule. You can, Blackboard is visible to you, all of you? Is it visible, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, now see the rule. Try to learn it also or note it down in your English notebook. And we will see the examples of this rule today. I will ask you examples also. When the subject of a sentence consists of two nouns or pronouns that are joined by as well as or with, the verb has to agree with the first noun. Means we had to take the verb according to the first noun, first subject of the sentence. If the first subject of the sentence is singular, we will use singular verb. If the first subject of the sentence is plural, we will use which type of verb?
Plural verb.
Plural verb. Very
Plural
good.
verb.
Yes, yes, yes. So now we will see the examples, how it will be done. See, first, the teacher as well as her students is sitting in the class. Sitting in the class. So, now tell me, which are the two nouns here, which are working as subject? Tell me the
Teacher
two
and
nouns.
student.
Teacher and student.
Ma'am, teachers and students.
Wait. Yes, now teacher and
And students.
students. Very good. Okay. Now see, the teacher, here this word is used as well as her students. This is also noun. This is the first noun and this is the second noun. So the verb has to agree with this first noun if as well as will be used. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
ma'am.
Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will see how we will do with 10:50. Sharply. Next one, the doctor, the child with his parents has is waiting outside the principal's office. Okay. Now see here. First noun is the child and second one is parents.
Parents.
Verb will agree with which one?
With his.
First noun. Yes. The verb will agree with the first noun.
First.
And the first noun is singular. So the verb
The
will
child.
be singular here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me some more example? Can you give me some more example of this? Priyal Gupta, Priyal, some sound is coming from your background. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, the president with his minister has reached the venue.
The president with his ministers Hmm.
has
Okay.
reached the venue.
Okay. Richa with her friends wants to participate in the quiz. Now see, not only but also. For this also, we will use first subject, first noun or second noun. That we will see. So I think this rule is clear in your mind. समझ गए? When
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
when pronouns are followed, nouns or pronouns are followed by as well as or with, the verb has to agree with the first noun. Either it is similar or it is plural. Accordingly, verb we will use. Okay. Let me rub the blackboard. Afterwards, I will give you another rule for this. I think the practice book you might have completed. The
Yes,
exercises related with this rule, you all have done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next one is when two subjects of a sentence are joined by not only but also not only but also either or neither nor. This is very important. Neither nor. The verb agrees with the latter subject. The verb agrees with the latter subject. Now see the example. Not only the Aurora family, not only the Aurora family, but I also am coming to the party. Coming to the party. So, can you see the sentence written on the blackboard clearly? Is it clearly
No, ma'am,
visible?
blur aa raha hai.
See properly.
No, ma'am, clear नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay. I will tell you. Not only the Aurora family, but I also am. You might see in your practice book, page number 57 of your practice book. Take it out. There you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see that it is mentioned in that. Wait. Here, not only the Aurora family, but I also takes the verb agrees with the latter subject or latter noun or pronoun. Here I have written here am. I also am going to the party. So it is mentioned and the verb has agreed with I only. I is the latter subject. Two pronouns are there. No, one is noun and another one is pronoun. Means two subjects are there, but the verb has to agree with the latter one. I will give you some more example to clear it. Either you or Seema is going to clean the room. Here, if the verb has to agree with you, what will be the verb? Tell me. If the verb has to agree with you, what verb we will use?
Ma'am, singular.
Yeah, no. You haven't understood, Aditya. With you, which verb we will use? You takes is or are. Which verb?
Ma'am, is.
Ma'am, is.
You takes is?
Ma'am, are.
No, ma'am, no, are, ma'am, are.
Aditya, I can't imagine that you also give the answer like this. See, you takes are only because you refers to one person or more than one also. So here it is referring, giving the sense of one only, but in spite of that, you always takes are. Either you or Seema. Seema is third person singular number and so it will take singular verb. So here the is we have written is agreed with Seema. Because according to rule of subject verb agreement, if these words are used, not only but also, either or, neither nor, the verb has to agree with the latter subject. Clear? समझ गए? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Neither Seema nor you are going out. Siddhanath has written, yes ma'am. Siddhanath, I am unable to see you. Where are you? You haven't switched on your video. Please switch it on. Priyal Gupta, Safia Anam. Mute yourself and switch on your video. That's all. Mute kiye raho. When you had to speak, that time you will unmute yourself. Okay, guys. Now next, not only. Ayush Kumar. Ayush, mute yourself.
Ma'am.
If you are not muting yourself, I have muted you. Okay. So here, if it will be the plural subject, plural pronoun or plural noun, which is latter in the sentence, what we will do? Not only your certificate, but your marks also are important. Here the verb agrees with which one? Certificate or marks? Tell me.
Ma'am, marks.
Marks.
Yes,
Marks.
very
Mark.
good. And because of this reason only, the verb is plural, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Thoda jawab do. Ananya, you have also not switched on your video. Suhani is not in the class today. And she is not joining, I think. Only 28 students have joined. Jiakant is good girl. She has opened the video and she is muted too. Very good, Jiakant. I appreciate you for this. See guys, if you will not cooperate with us, we are unable to help you out in this pandemic. So try to follow our instruction and we will do what is the needful. Either my friend or I am going to buy this book. Either my friend or I am. Here also the verb agrees with the latter subject, that is I. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the verb here agrees with I. Next, neither Ritu nor her friends. The verb has to agree with Ritu or her friends.
Her friends.
Very good. Now you understood, I know. Her friends. Because according to rule, if these words are followed in a sentence or followed by noun and pronoun, the verb has to agree with the latter subject. बाद में जो noun या pronoun रहेगा, उसके हिसाब से verb को agree करना होगा. And if the latter subject is plural, we will use plural verb. If the latter subject is singular, we will use singular
Noun.
singular verb. Adi. Now next one is, you have the exercises. I think you all might have done it in your practice book. Exercises.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will see some more examples regarding this. And next day, tomorrow, what you want to read? Grammar or literature?
Literature.
Ma'am, literature.
You all are very, wait. You are very interested to know about literature, to listen to the tales, listen to the stories. But who will read the grammar? Without grammar, you are not be able to get mastery over literature. And you people are still not speaking. Tomorrow, Jia Khan, Safia Anam, Astha 8B, Ananya, these students will speak on any topic of their choice. Clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you all are ready, Jia Khan?
पढ़ रहे हैं मैम, अब लिटरेचर पढ़ेंगे.
क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
What said Aditya?
मैम बहुत दिन से ग्रामर पढ़ रहे हैं, मैम लिटरेचर नहीं पढ़े हैं.
Okay. In literature, let me shut the door. Some sound is coming. Some cutting work is going on. Let me close the door. See, if you have left any lesson in literature, you haven't attended in your class, you can tell me. I will start from that lesson. Otherwise, we will do the revision of question answer only. Clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
I'm also completed.
in both the section, in section B also completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tomorrow, before going to the story or question answer, I will ask the summary of the lesson from you only. So just go through it, learn the question answer, and then we will write and discuss. Okay. Now tell me, this is some nouns are, they look like plural, but they are always singular. That example I want to give you. Like, suppose I say physics. Physics is or are? Tell me.
Is.
But it is. Because it is only one. This is the spelling of it. It is not plural. So physics is considered as a tough subject. Maths, statistics, news. These words look like plural, but they are always singular in number. Cattle, and some words are always plural. Yesterday also I told you, like people. People is a plural, always used as plural because it is a group of persons. So, and the cattle. Cattle, जानवर,
मैम प्लूरल.
plural होगा, yes. Some nouns are similar in form that we have done. Now see, a few nouns that take a singular verb like cutlery, stationery, food, furniture. These words always take
Plural verb.
singular noun, singular verb.
Singular.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Singular, because they are collective noun. They are used as collection. Suppose I say, the stationery was available at a cheap price at the store. In a stationery, everything will come. Paper, pencil, pen, eraser, sharpener, whatever you wish to. The new furniture is pretty expensive. Furniture, table, chair, sofa, dining, whatever is there, everything comes under this furniture category. Now next one is weight, measure, amount, time and distance. 5 years is a pretty long time. Next, 10 kilos of milk was consumed in just 1 day. 100 rupees is not a big amount for him. Only 1/4 of the total police force was deployed in the area. Collection, school of fish, swarm of bees, bunch of keys, crowd. These always takes singular verb. These are collective nouns. So, but they will take always singular verb.
Singular
The crowd,
noun.
singular verb, not noun. The crowd looks quite pleased with the magician's performance. Now here, my new pair of socks is very tight. Pair of socks means they are considered as one pair. And if we had to talk about socks, only socks, then it will be plural. We will use plural verb because socks cannot be one only. But if I say that pair of socks, trousers always used plural. But if I say a pair of trousers, then it will take singular verb. Now team has chalked out a strategy to defeat the opponent. The team were divided on the playing strategy. We use a singular verb when we think of the collective noun as a whole, like furniture, crowd, that is cutlery, stationery, these things are as a whole. When we think about the members of the collective noun individually, we use a plural verb. Now I think this lesson is completed. Isn't it? Now if you had to ask me any question regarding this, you can ask. If you have any query regarding this lesson, this topic, you can ask me whether you're able to understand it or not. Or I will ask. Now tell me the fill in the blanks which is given on your page number 60 of your practice book. Batao. People in the carnival dash wearing all kinds of fancy dresses.
Were.
Were.
Yes. Statistics dash Mohit's favorite subject.
Is.
Is because statistics is a subject. The cutlery set dash a very antique look.
Gives.
Gives, yes. This pair of trousers doesn't fit me anymore.
Doesn't.
Very good. These trousers are old now. Is or are?
Are.
Are.
R.
Just now I told Aditya, pay attention on my words.
हम आर बोले मैम.
Ari bola, but someone
Okay,
has
Ari
said
बोले.
is. Okay.
मुझे गर्ल बोली थी.
Okay. I understood that you are knowing. Don't worry. Now tell me, you people are still not speaking in English. Aditya, you also.
Yes.
Why? Why? You can't be able to speak in English? Tell me clearly.
बोल
And
सकते हैं.
you can speak, no? Then why you are not speaking? And I don't think you all can face any problem in speaking. Then also you people are not speaking. This is very disheartening. Because of speaking only, I started giving you some time in my class to speak on any topic of your choice. But then also, it doesn't matter to you. All students who are there in the class, you had to speak in English only if you had to ask anything from me, or if you had to give any answer of the any of the question. Okay. So tomorrow, for tomorrow, I have already assigned the name for the students who has to who have to speak, and I think you all are ready with it, is it or not? You all are ready to speak or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So tomorrow we will start literature only. Don't worry. You people are feeling bored, I know, because you are not ready to read grammar. See, next one. One more thing I want to tell you here, that is the jury was or were divided in their verdict. This I will write on the blackboard, then you will be able to understand it in a better way. Wait. Example, the jury dash was or were divided in their verdict. Now next one is the jury dash were or was prompt in equating the innocent person. Now tell me, for both the sentences, the subject is same, but the verb will be different. Tell me, which sentence will take which type of verb, singular or plural? Jaldi bolo, I have very less time now. Aditya has written.
पहला वाले में वर होगा.
क्यों होगा बताओ? Still you are talking in Hindi, Aditya?
When first.
Tell me. If it is were, how it will be were? And if it is was, how it will be was? Tell me. No. You have written first sentence will take were because it is divided. No. See, I will tell you, wait. Here, the jury may be a group of many people who found the bench of the jury. Because here it has been already mentioned there. When we will use there? There will be used for many persons. There will be used for many persons. But so we will use here